Hi guys, Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my weekly bathroom cleaning routine. First, I take out our bathroom rug and I put it in the washing machine. Then I'm going to use the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner and let that sit in the toilet while I clean the rest of the room. Here I am using the Method Bathroom Cleaner and spraying down the entire shower. Now, what you don't see is me using the sponge to scrub everything clean and then using our detachable shower head to spray it all off. Sorry, my camera stopped recording without me noticing. My homemade all-purpose spray. It's made up of water, white vinegar, alcohol, and peppermint essential oil. I'm going to clean our bathroom cabinets starting at the top. I use the same spray for our mirror and our sink. Baseboards are my favorite. So now I'll wipe those down and the door using that same spray. Now I'm using the 7th generation disinfecting multi-surface cleaner to spray down the entire toilet, my son's training seat, and the trash can. And then I use paper towels to wipe it all clean. After that, I scrub the inside of the toilet. Last come the floors. A quick sweep first, and then I use that all-purpose spray to mop them up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.